Hey guys, Bullwinkle Fan 2003 here once again, and welcome to yet another reaction video. This time we'll be reacting to a Family Guy clip about the first chicken fight between Peter Griffin and Ernie the Chicken. So, let's go.
Well, looks like someone's going to a big party tonight. You should pick up a chicken strip party pack for all your friends. Here's a coupon.
Well, look, pal, I don't take coupons from giant chickens. Not after last time. Oh, yeah, and that nice chicken outside gave me this coupon.
I'm sorry, this is expired.
Oh, so this is how this entire chicken fight started. It was all because of an expired coupon. Alright. Well, that was a nice move. I wonder what the truck driver's doing. Hey, pay attention to the road, man! Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, oh my god! Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna need these by Friday. Ugh, is that gonna give us enough time to cross-check the...
Oh my... Well, that was a... that was a good interruption. Because I hate talking all day.
Chicken gave me a bad coupon.
Oh my god, okay. That actually kind of scared me for a little bit. Well, yeah, just a little bit. But yeah, this is how it all started.
How do we know you...
Get out of here, Pizza Hut. Thank you. Or no, it was Little Caesars. What am I thinking right now? But anyways, that was the clip. So if you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more reaction videos. This is Bullwinkle Fan 2003 saying, see you next time.